So we haven't talked about tables in this series yet, so let's take a quick look at the syntax. I'm going to search for HTML table, and we'll pop open an example in W3 Schools. So this is what a table looks like. It has columns and it has rows. And anywhere where a column and a row meet is a table cell. So the structure of a table like this is going to be to set a table element, and then you set a table row with the tr tag, table row, and then within that table row, you set table cells, and that's the td tag. So in this case, there's going to be 3 table cells, and this determines how many columns the table is going to have. For the next row, you set another table row and more table cells. We can try it and see what this would end up looking like here. Now, tables have interesting layout properties. Early on in the days of the web, tables were used to lay out entire sites because they presented a model of laying things out that was really useful. Since that time, better methods have come around that don't require using tables, and we can now use tables just for data. Even so, it sometimes feels useful to use the layout properties of table cells. Now I'm going to set some styles in this example so we can see how easy vertical alignment is here. So if we set the height to 200 pixels for the table cell, it will make this nice and big. And notice how the text is being aligned vertically in the middle by default. Now if only we could have that in a div sometimes. Well, this next solution is doing just that.